Cookie chaos. Rosie the Rabbit had big plans for the day. "Luna, let's bake cookies," she said excitedly. Luna, her little sister, nodded eagerly. "As long as we follow the recipe exactly," she replied, holding up a neatly written card. Rosie giggled. "Oh, don't worry. We'll make them just right. And maybe have a little fun, too." Luna lined up the ingredients neatly. "1 cup of sugar," she said, scooping precisely. Rosie grabbed a pinch of cinnamon. "How about a little extra spice?" she said. "But the recipe doesn't say cinnamon," Luna frowned. "Sometimes you just have to get creative," Rosie said with a wink. Luna sighed. "What if the cookies don't turn out because we didn't follow the rules?" "It'll be fine," Rosie said, stirring confidently. "Rules are important, but so is trying new things." Luna muttered, "I like rules better." As they shaped the cookies, Luna arranged hers in a perfect grid. "They need to bake evenly," she explained. Rosie plopped a big, lumpy dough ball onto the tray. "The fun shapes will make them taste better," she said. Luna rolled her eyes, but didn't argue. As the cookies baked, Luna watched the oven closely. "Look at that one! It's melting all over the tray," she said. Rosie laughed. "Oh, that just means it'll be gooey and delicious." Luna crossed her arms. "It's not what the recipe said." When the cookies came out, Luna inspected each one carefully. "These are perfect," she said, arranging her cookies neatly. Rosie stacked her cookies haphazardly. "Mine look funny, but they'll taste amazing." Rosie took a bite and grinned. "Yum! Try one, Luna." Luna hesitated, but picked up one of her cookies. She nibbled the edge and smiled. "It's really good," she admitted. "See? Following the recipe works great, but a little creativity doesn't hurt," Rosie said. For the next batch, Luna asked, "What if we try your cinnamon idea this time?" "And I'll measure everything properly," Rosie offered. They worked together, blending their styles. "This is fun," Luna said, smiling. When the second batch was ready, the cookies were golden and smelled amazing. "These are perfect," Luna said. "Because we worked together," Rosie added. "A mix of rules and creativity made them great." As they enjoyed their cookies, Luna smiled at Rosie. "Thanks for teaching me that trying new things can be fun." "And thanks for reminding me that a little structure is important," Rosie replied. The sisters agreed. The best recipes included teamwork and a sprinkle of fun. The end.